Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Marine Technical Training Academy. This is the first video of a series of videos that we are going to do related with the conversion of boats, cars and airplanes from natural gasoline or diesel engines into fully electric or hybrids. I hope you enjoy the next coming videos about that topic. We are going to start from the bottom with the study of the conversion, the calculation of the electric motor, the battery banks, and we are going to do the process complete. I am working with three different groups. Number one, with the SENA Colombia. SENA Colombia. SENA is the most important. This is the government technological institute, the biggest technological institute in Colombia. SENA is like a college, similar to a college in the United States. They provide to the students technical certifications, technical diplomas. Is similar to the associate degree in the United States. It's a vocational technical institute. In this particular case, I am working with the SENA in Valle del Cauca in Cali, Colombia. You remember Cali, salsa? Okay, in Cali, Colombia. They have a wonderful team dedicated to research in the conversion of gasoline cars into electric and hybrid. The team is magnificent. The leader of the team, two leaders. One of the leaders is Oscar Muñoz, Professor Oscar Muñoz. He's a genius. He's working with a lot of resources of SENA and a lot of invention and creativity. And also, Julian Belalcázar, other genius. But guys, with the structure of SENA Colombia, SENA is wonderful. SENA is an institution with a lot of passion, with a lot of dedication. I am surprised in the visit that I did to SENA Colombia in December of 2022. I am highly surprised. The team of SENA is dedicated to the students. All that they do is because the students. All that they try to fight with the government for more budget, more resources, is because they want more things, more tools, more possibilities for the students. Those guys, Oscar Muñoz and Julian Belalcázar, they work with a big support, big team, wonderful people, dedicated administrative people, other instructors in other areas, hydraulic, robotics, in pneumatics. It's a wonderful installation, wonderful cooperation between them. This is the team number one. The other team is my team, Marine Technical Training Academy. It's basically me and Diego Garzón, my assistant. Diego is the manager of the design, the administration of the website. Diego, with other cameragraphers, other photographers of SENA, those ladies, Sarah and Jacqueline, they work together in the creation of these videos. And additionally, I involved in this team to Broward College, the Marine Engineering Department of Broward College. I am the manager of that department in Broward College. I involved Broward College because we have a lot of resources used in the marine part. Because remember, I said that we are going to do and we are going to explain to our followers the process to convert a car, and we are going to do the same with a boat, And we are going to do the same with a plane. We visit the installation of FAC, Fuerza Aérea Colombiana, FAC in Colombia. They donated this Cessna, and we are going to do the conversion of that Cessna into a hybrid airplane. This is a nice project. We are doing in this moment the calculations, the sizing of the electric motor, the sizing of the panels, because this is a perfect airplane. We are going to cover the wings with the solar panels, and we are going to create a wonderful hybrid airplanes. This is the project, divided in 3 sections, and we are going to work section by section separated. Today specifically, we are going to talk about the conversion of an automotive gasoline car. In this particular case, we are going to use a Kia Soul. And my friends, Oscar, Julian, and the team of SENA, they advanced. They did the project. They convert this Kia into a fully electric car. Fully electric. It's not hybrid. It's fully electric. With national, with no proprietary kits from Kia. No. This is a national design. It's a natural design. They calculate the motor, they use the old transmission of the Kia, and they only replace the gasoline engine for the new electric motor, that motor. And they create a special adapter or flange to install that motor in the previous bell housing of the transmission. That flange, he says, it's magic. And they keep part of the clutch, because in the new design they don't need a clutch. They conserve the previous friction plate, and they keep that friction plate like a flex plate. Now I am going to explain that conversion. This is a wonderful conversion. The conversion was perfect. The car was finished some months ago, 8 months ago, and the car win a lot of conventions, a lot of SNRs, and a lot of awards. And now the car returned to the shop for an upgrade. And I work with Oscar and Julian in this wonderful experience during the upgrade. Basically, the battery charger was damaged, and they upgrade the battery charger for a better battery charger. This is the conversion. This is the process that we are going to do in this particular video. In this particular video, we are going to start from the bottom, and we are going to advance in that conversion. The people think that convert a gasoline or diesel car into an electric or hybrid is basically the replacement of the gas engine for the electric motor. No, my friends, it's more than this. Let me tell to you something. Only imagine that you have a gasoline car, but the gasoline car have some accessories, and you want in the new car, in the new electric car, you want the comfort than of the original car. You want air condition. You want power windows. You want power steering. You want brakes. Good brakes. Exactly the same that you have in the previous car, you want in the new one. Remember that if you remove the gasoline engine, the gasoline engine with the belt move the hydraulic pump for the power steering. You remember that the gasoline engine with the belt drive the alternator, and with the alternator you charge the batteries, and you have power in your car. If you remove your engine, the intake manifold of the engine produces vacuum, and with that vacuum you operate the brakes. And with that vacuum in some engines, you use the vacuum for the modulator of the automatic transmission. And other things that I don't remember right now, other factors that if you remove the engine, you need to replace in the new electric situation, in the new electric configuration. Julian and Oscar, they work in the design, in the complete design. They solved each particular situation with some adapters, professional adaptation, professional designs to supply air condition, to supply power steering, to supply vacuum. It's a great job. And now we are going to check each by each what they did, because they did a great job. I participate in this last part only to show to our followers, the followers of SENA, the followers of Broward College, the followers of Marine Technical Training Academy, how was the conversion and how you can convert your car in the future using the same method, the same procedure. And you can replicate that procedure exactly the same in a boat, exactly the same in an airplane, because it's the same. They are working also in a motorcycle, doing exactly the same. And we are going to show to our followers that process, that procedure.